Unlocking the health secrets of baking yeast.
Hello, health enthusiasts. Today we're going to uncover the health benefits of a common ingredient you might find in your kitchen, baking yeast. While it's most often used to help dough rise, it has more to offer than just being a baking agent. We're going to delve into how baking yeast positively impacts your body and contributes to your overall health.
What is baking yeast?
Baking yeast, also known as Saccharomyces cerevisiae, is a type of fungus that's typically used in baking to ferment sugars and help dough rise. But beyond the kitchen, this microorganism has some intriguing health benefits that are often overlooked.
Nutritional composition of baking yeast.
Baking yeast is a rich source of B vitamins, particularly thiamine, B1, riboflavin, B2, niacin, B3, pantothenic acid, B5, pyridoxine, B6, folic acid, B9, and cobalamin, B12. These vitamins play critical roles in our body, including energy production, DNA repair, and maintaining healthy skin and brain function. Furthermore, baking yeast also contains other essential nutrients such as proteins and minerals. Among the minerals, you'll find zinc, magnesium, and selenium. It's also worth noting that it's a good source of dietary fiber.
The health benefits of baking yeast.
Now, let's discuss some specific health benefits of this nutritional powerhouse. 1. Improves gut health. Baking yeast is known for its probiotic properties. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can boost your gut health, improving digestion and immune function. 2. Supports nervous system. The B vitamins in baking yeast are vital for the healthy functioning of our nervous system. They contribute to neurotransmitter synthesis and can aid in maintaining mental health. 3. Antioxidant properties. The selenium content in baking yeast acts as an antioxidant. Antioxidants are compounds that fight off damaging free radicals in the body, reducing inflammation and the risk of chronic diseases. 4. Enhances skin health. Baking yeast can also benefit your skin. The riboflavin, vitamin B2, it contains helps maintain the health of your skin, eyes, and even your liver.
How to incorporate baking yeast into your diet.
One of the easiest ways to incorporate baking yeast into your diet is through baking. However, a more nutritionally potent variant is nutritional yeast. It's a deactivated form of Saccharomyces cerevisiae and is often used as a vegan cheese substitute because of its savory, nutty flavor. You can sprinkle it over your salads, popcorn, or use it in your favorite recipes. So there you have it. Baking yeast is not just a simple baking ingredient, it's a nutritional powerhouse with multiple health benefits. Adding it to your diet can help improve your gut health, support your nervous system, and provide an antioxidant boost. It's a simple and effective way to give your health a rise. Remember, it's always important to maintain a balanced diet and consult with a nutritionist or healthcare provider before making major changes to your dietary habits. We hope you found this video informative and eye-opening. Stay healthy and happy baking!